children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will study adverbs. Let's learn. In our previous classes, we have learned that an adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb in a sentence. An adverb expresses the time, place, manner of an action and degree or intensity and frequency of an action. For example, the injured cat moved slowly. हमने पहले क्या पढ़ा कि adverb क्या है? जो verb, adjective या another adverb को modify करता है. और adverb क्या क्या express करते हैं? Time, place, manner, action, intensity, frequency ये सब show करता है. जैसे The injured cat moved slowly. I shall take it to the vet tomorrow. You can sit here or go there. She often comes to see me. Now, kinds of adverbs. The table given below shows the kinds of adverbs with examples. Number 1, adverb or example. Adverbs of time. Today, yesterday, tomorrow, now, then, soon, early, yet, still, late, before, etc. Next is adverbs of place. Outside, inside, anywhere, here, there, near, up, down, off, by, beside, behind, etc. तो ये सारे adverb of place हैं. Adverbs of manner. Beautifully, bravely, cleverly, quietly, simply, slowly, sweetly, wisely, etc. Adverbs of frequency. Daily, always, often, sometimes, never, usually, rarely, once, twice, occasionally, etc. Now, adverbs of degree. Completely, nearly, very, to, hardly, fairly, so, quite, rather, almost, totally, half-heartedly, etc. Next is interrogative adverbs. Which, when, where, who, why, how, etc. ये सारे कैसे हैं? Interrogative adverbs हैं. Next is adverbs of reason. Consequently, so, therefore, hence, etc. Now relative adverbs. Which, where, why, when, why, how, who, etc. Next is adverbs of negation. No, not at all, etc. Adverbs of affirmation. Yes, certainly, truly, why not, etc. I hope these are clear to you now. This is your exercise. You have to practice it. Next is some examples of the use of adverbs. Now read the following sentences that show the correct use of different kinds of adverbs. The girl was badly hurt in the accident. Manner. The athletes were trained well for the Olympics. Manner. No, you cannot go there alone. Negation. My parents will go to attend the wedding tomorrow. Time. The dog bit the boy and ran away. Place. Some children are sitting here and some are playing there. Place. My friends often go to this restaurant. Often go, frequency. When will you go to see your ailing grandmother? Interrogative. Yes, I will help you even if you don't ask for. Affirmation. They have almost finished their work. Degree. Now next is position of adverbs. The place in a sentence where we put an adverb is the position of the adverb. जहाँ हम इसको place करते हैं, जहाँ हम इसको लिखते हैं, वो क्या होती है? Adverb की place होती है. According to the sense and emphasis, an adverb can be used in the middle or in the end of a sentence. उसके meaning के base पर किसको वो emphasize कर रहा है, उसके base पर हम उसको बीच में या sentence के last में भी use कर सकते हैं. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time are usually placed either at the beginning or at the end of a sentence. जो adverbs of time है उसको sentence के शुरुआत में और लास्ट में भी लिख सकते हैं. For example, he will meet me tomorrow. Tomorrow he will meet me. You can go now. Now you can go. आप आगे भी लिख सकते हैं और पीछे भी लिख सकते हैं. Adverbs such as early, last, before, yet, immediately are mostly used at the end of the sentence. अगर आपके पास early, last, before, yet, immediately आ रहा है तो ये sentence के last में आएगा. The student came late. The train arrived early. Come here immediately. She had seen it before. Next, we use still after the verb be and before other verbs. Be और जो दूसरे verbs होते हैं उनके साथ हम उनके बाद में क्या लिखते हैं? Still. For example, he is still wrong. He still doesn't know that he has lost his pen somewhere. Now, adverbs of place. Adverbs of place are used after the verb or after the object. Object और verb के बाद लिखे जाते हैं if there is one. For example, I have already met you somewhere. Have they gone anywhere? Just planning and doing nothing will get you nowhere. Hello children, come here. You can stay here or go there if you wish. He switched the fan off. Seeing the snake, the child ran away. Mother called me in. The guest has gone upstairs. Mother is looking for the keys everywhere. How many toys are there on the table? Adverb phrase of place. Second, we can start a sentence with a prepositional phrase that shows time. अगर time दिखा रहा है तो हम prepositional phrase से शुरू कर सकते हैं sentence को. जैसे on Christmas Day we welcome the new year. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner come after the verb or after the object. Verb और object के बाद आता है. For example, she entered the room silently. He answered the question quickly. We can use the adverb either after the object or before the preposition if the object has a preposition before it. For example, I pray sincerely for your success. I wish for your success sincerely. If the object is long, the adverb is placed before the verb. अगर object लंबा है तो हम adverb को verb से पहले place कर सकते हैं. For example, I carefully examined all the forms filled up by the students. He totally depends on his mother for helping him complete his homework. Sometimes the position of an adverb changes the meaning of a sentence. कभी कभी वो sentence की meaning को change कर देता है. He immediately decided to go. The decision was immediate. He decided to go immediately. यहाँ पर क्या उसने meaning क्या दिखा रहा है यहाँ पे कि जो departure है departure was immediate. Now adverbs of frequency. Next is adverbs of frequency are normally placed after the verb be and before other verbs in the simple tense. जो adverb of frequency है उसे हम कहाँ use करते हैं? verb be से बाद में. और जो simple tense है उससे पहले हम इसको use कर सकते हैं. For example, the teacher is never late. The children always speak the truth. She sometimes behaves abnormally. Next, in the continuous and perfect tense or with modals, some adverbs are used after the auxiliary. Continuous tense में, perfect tense में और modals के साथ. जो adverbs हैं वो ऑक्सिलरी के बाद यूज़ किए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही कैन नेवर टेल यू द ट्रूथ. वी हैव ऑलवेज हेल्प्ड हर. हाउ ऑफन डू यू मीट ईच अदर. नाउ एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री. Adverbs of degree are placed before the adjectives or the adverbs they modify. For example, the jackal was entirely wet with blue. She was only 14. The food is almost ready to be served. The question paper was rather easy. The patient is much better now. We are quite comfortable. But remember that enough follows its adjective or adverb. जो enough होता है वो adjective और adverb को follow करता है. For example, the room is big enough. She spoke clearly enough. Next, when an adverb of degree modifies a verb, it is placed before the main verb. जब adverb जो है verb को modify करेगा तो उसको कहाँ हम यूज़ करेंगे? मेन वर्ब से पहले. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी ऑलमोस्ट स्लिप्ड. दे हैव जस्ट लेफ्ट. यू हार्डली नो मी. द एडवर्ब only is placed next to the word it is related to. For example, the boy has only 2 tops, not more than 2. He only smiled. He didn't say anything or do anything else. He smiled at me only, not at anyone else. किसी और के ऊपर नहीं, केवल मेरे ऊपर. She is only a bit shy. Otherwise, she is quite smart. I hope these all are clear to you now. This is your exercise. You have to practice it. Next is degrees of adverbs. Just like adjectives, some adverbs also have comparative and superlative forms. These are generally adverbs of manner, degree and time. जो adverb of manner, degree और time है, इनके comparative और superlative degree भी होती है. Now study these examples of comparison of adverbs. Number 1, positive degree. He ran as fast as I did. Comparative degree. He ran faster than I did. Superlative degree. He ran the fastest of all. The is optional with superlative adverbs. The इसमें optional होता है, आप कर भी सकते हैं, यूज़ नहीं भी कर सकते. Next is positive. She doesn't walk so as quickly as I can. Comparative. I walk more quickly than she does than her. Superlative. Meera walks most quickly of all of us. Positive. He didn't sing as sweet as I had expected. Comparative. He sang sweeter than I had expected. Superlative. He sang the sweetest of all his friends. Now formation of degrees of adverbs. कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं देखिए इसकी फॉर्मेशन को. Formation of the degrees of comparison of adverbs is much easier than those of adjectives. Given below are some rules of forming degrees of adverbs. कुछ rules दिए गए हैं कैसे हम इसको चेंज करते हैं, कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं इसको. By using the adverbs more, less and most, least. किस तरीके से आप करते हैं, कहाँ आप लगाते हैं more, less या more, least. Comparative, superlative, comparative and superlative. Comparative degree more swiftly, more beautifully, more curiously, more intelligently. Superlative में क्या आएगा? Most swiftly, most beautifully, most curiously, most intelligently. Comparative, less swiftly, less beautifully, less curiously, less intelligently. Superlative, least swiftly, least beautifully, least curiously, least intelligently. Next, by adding the suffix er and est to the positive degree. जो positive degree होगी उसमें हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? er या est. We add er or est only to the adverbs of सिंगल सिलेबल्स, सिंगल सिलेबल्स अगर होगा तभी हम ER और EST का करेंगे. These adverbs are invariably adjectives which are generally used as adverbs in a sentence. For example, positive early, comparative earlier, superlative earliest, loud louder loudest, long longer longest, near nearer nearest, late later latest. By irregular construction, some adverbs form their comparative and superlative form of adverbs quite irregularly. कुछ ऐसे होते हैं कि irregularly change हो जाते हैं. जैसे positive में badly है, comparative में worse and superlative worst. ऐसे ही well, better, best, little, less, least, much, many, more, most, far, farther, farthest. Now note, the adjectives good and bad and their corresponding adverbs well and badly have exactly the same comparative and superlatives. Now I hope this is clear to you now. This is your exercise. You have to practice it.